First, get the 360 system's main unit or the MDVR 820 for SH and radar boxes. Connect the radar boxes. Connect the front and right radar boxes in the same way. Connect the front, back, left, and right radar boxes to the respective radar boxes. The radar box has an adapter cable for pins A, B, C, and D. Connect the 4 pins to the corresponding pins on the radar box. Connect the other end to the radar. Next, connect the cameras. There's a 1-to-2 splitter cable. Connect the camera to this cable. You'll see an MDVR and a 360B SD connector on the cable. After connecting all 4, connect them to the main unit. First, connect the front view camera by connecting the 360B SD cable to the front view camera. Then connect the MDVR to channel 2 of the DVR. First, connect the front view camera by connecting the 360B SD cable to the front view camera. Then connect the MDVR to channel 2 of the DVR. Connect the MDVR to channel 2. The other 3 cameras are connected in the same way. Connect this to channel 3, channel 4, and then channel 5. After connecting, locate the screen, which has two connectors, AV1 and AV2. Set them aside. Then take out a 1-to-2 splitter cable and connect one end of the 360AH-D cable. The other end splits into 360 and DVR connectors. Connect the 360 end to the screen's AV to connector. And the other end MDVR to channel 1 of the 820 for SH connector. After connecting, connect the screen's AV1 connector to the SH connector's CVBS connector. Locate the screen's positive and negative wires. And then locate the 360 hosts power cable. Connect these wires along with the video power red wire to the positive terminal of the power supply. Locate the 360's G and D wire and the screen's G and D wire and connect them to the negative terminal of the power supply. Finally, turn on the power. The power supply voltage must not exceed 24 volts. Exceeding this will damage the screen. After powering on, we can see the MDVR screen. Channel 1 is the 360 main screen, and it needs to be set to 720p. pressing V1, V2 on the screen will switch to the 360 main screen. There is a trigger cable on the screen that can also be used to switch to a V2.